Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
The Kawasaki Z650RS has been revealed as a new retro machine for the middleweight pack. Retrovolution has arrived. Kawasaki's super classy Z650RS joins the retro middleweight naked class. The new Z650RS continues to build on the RS formula that Kawasaki introduced with the Z900RS back in 2018. The Z650RS blends all the retro cues it can from Kawasaki's past into an accessible and exciting naked. Although the styling may remind some of the original Z650B1 of the late 70s, the bike's internals are completely modern. In this year's model, the engine has been heavily revised, and it is the same reliable yet entertaining unit used in the Z650 and Ninja 650. It has been tuned for low and mid-rev response, along with invigorating high rev performance, and is rated at 68 PS, 50.2 kilowatts. Kawasaki dealers will also offer a 35 kW kit enabling riders with an A2 license to ride the Retrovolution. The suspension is similar to that of its Z650 and Ninja 650 cousins, with 41mm forks and Kawasaki's own horizontal link rear shock. Preload can be adjusted. Dual twin piston calipers grip, 300mm round disc rotors on the Kawasaki Z650RS. A Bosch 2-channel ABS system controls the front and rear brakes. The Kawasaki Z650RS available in 3 colors options: Metallic Spark Black, 7,549 pounds. Candy Emerald Green, 7,699 pounds. Metallic Moondust Gray, Ebony, 7,699 pounds.